Here at IC, a lot of the faculty are very involved with the students on campus. The relationships you can build with your professors and faculty here on campus is unlike any other place I've ever been. Everybody here wants to see you succeed and wants you to graduate ready, and part of that is building those relationships where you can come to them and with any issue, any problem you have, and they're there to help you no matter what, and they just really want to see you succeed.
When I show up to teach, I think a big goal of mine is just to make the students connect the content they're learning with the rest of the world. With a smaller student body, you have that opportunity for personal interaction, more detailed research, one-on-one with a professor, and there's a lot of great things happening academically at Illinois College.
Some experiences that our students will receive while being at Illinois College include things like internship opportunities where you can work within the community. It would be research experience where you work in a lab, either with a professor specifically or with a larger team to develop those skills that might help you enter into the workforce, or just even attending courses specific to course development and course skills so that when you graduate, you'll have those skills that you would need to enter into the workforce.
IC has really helped me be ready to graduate because it's helped me find like a purpose of what I want to do afterwards. And I came here with an idea of I want to help people and I want to be involved in sports. I didn't really know exactly what that meant for me afterwards, but now I'm starting to realize like it's working with people who I can have an effect on at a personal level. I want to be able to work with people one-on-one and help them become healthier and build a better life for themselves through what I'm studying here at school and what I'm learning, and being able to apply that and create better lives and better opportunities for people in the future. And I don't know if I would have gotten that if I hadn't come to IC.